Here are a few quick tips for success as a freelance CAD designer or engineer on the Cad Crowd platform. Firstly, you'll want to create a user profile and complete the profile, including adding your skills, software capabilities, your designer availability, as well as your educational background. You can view this link to see what some designer profiles look like for your reference and to get an idea of what to potentially include on your profile. Secondly, we recommend that you showcase your design work in the 3D CAD gallery. So in other words, upload any design work that you'd like potential clients to see. Third, participation in design contests and engineering challenges is optional. However, it boosts your community reputation. You can see the leaderboard with this link, and also increases the chances of your one-to-one project offers that you receive from clients based on your reputation within the Cad Crowd community. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know and contact us. Thanks a lot.